Okay, these are the differences in the assembly. This is the main mixing valve, and you'll notice that the handle for the handheld shower supply is on the side and it's round, and then the shower supply line comes off the side and will cycle back up. The one that's in the picture that I bought has a nice square knob on the front, and the supply comes off the back and then down through the bottom of the unit and then cycles up to a wall mount. And the wall mount is completely missing. This is the handheld shower mount that was sent to me. You'll notice it's intended to be attached to the center post. There's no way to even mount this on the wall. The handheld shower mount that's in the picture, as you'll see, is a nice square unit. And so if it's possible, I'd really like you to send me what I bought instead of this. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know.